Transforming your backyard into a serene meditation garden is easier than you think, and I'll show you how to do it. Having a meditation garden in your backyard can be a total game changer for your mental clarity and relaxation. Not only will it provide a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, but it'll also give you a chance to connect with nature and cultivate mindfulness. Imagine being able to step outside your door and into a tranquil oasis, surrounded by soothing sounds, calming scents, and stunning visuals. It's the perfect way to unwind and recharge, and today I'm excited to share with you how to create this little slice of heaven in your own backyard. Before we dive in, let's talk about what you'll need to get started. You'll need some basic gardening tools like a shovel, trowel, and rake, as well as some materials like soil, plants, stones, and garden decorations. Don't worry if you're new to gardening, I'll walk you through each step, and even if you have some experience, you might pick up some new tips and tricks along the way. When it comes to planning your meditation garden, the first step is to choose a suitable location. Look for a spot that gets plenty of sunlight, but is also somewhat sheltered from harsh winds and extreme temperatures. You want your garden to be peaceful, not chaotic. Next, think about the overall design and layout of your garden. Do you want a circular path, a water feature, or a seating area? Take some time to brainstorm and sketch out your ideas. Once you have a rough plan, you can start preparing the soil and planting your chosen flowers, shrubs, and trees. Remember to select plants that are low maintenance and suitable for your climate, and don't be afraid to get creative with your plant choices. After all, this is your personal oasis. As you start building your meditation garden, remember to take your time and enjoy the process. It's just as important as the end result. Don't worry if things don't turn out exactly as planned, it's all about experimentation and having fun. And if you're feeling stuck or unsure, don't worry, we'll get through it together. One of the most important aspects of a meditation garden is the plant selection. You want to choose plants that are not only beautiful, but also calming and soothing. Consider using plants with soft colors and gentle textures, like lavender or bamboo. You could also incorporate plants with calming scents, like chamomile or lemon balm. And don't forget to add some decorative elements, like stones or statues, to create visual interest and depth. Of course, every garden comes with its own set of challenges, and a meditation garden is no exception. You might encounter issues with soil drainage, or plants that are struggling to thrive. Don't worry, these are just minor setbacks, and with a little patience and troubleshooting, you can overcome them. Remember to stay calm, stay patient, and trust the process. And that's it, you've created your own meditation garden. Take a step back, admire your handiwork, and bask in the peaceful atmosphere you've created. Remember, this is your personal sanctuary, and it's okay to make changes and adjustments as you see fit. The most important thing is that it brings you joy and serenity. Thanks for joining me on this journey to create a peaceful meditation garden. I hope you're feeling inspired to get started on your own project, and I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And if you're looking for more gardening tips and tricks, be sure to check out our next video for some additional inspiration. Happy gardening!